Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 3, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages you should have the D&D mode, Do Not Disturb. For me it is on the second page, as you can see right over here. Once you see it, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, which will give you this pop-up right here, and we can select more, and this will take us to settings for the Do Not Disturb mode. So as an example right here under exceptions, we can select who can call us or message us. We have no one, favorites, or contacts as an option. I believe this applies to both phone calls and messages. Now another important option would be right here, ring for repeated calls, which will allow people to reach you assuming they call twice within a 3-minute period. If this is enabled, they'll basically be bypassing whatever you have selected in here. So as an example, you can select none. So with this, no one should be able to call us. But if they do meet this requirement, that 2 calls within 3 minutes, they'll be bypassing this option. So it's a nice option to have in case of emergencies. Now, once you have set it all up, you can close this and find the toggle, tap on it, turn on, and you're good to go. It is now enabled. Now once you're done with it, you will need to turn it off manually by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it. And there's one last option which I didn't mention. So we can go back into the settings and we should have, there we go, schedule. In here you can select a schedule, which basically the device will then turn on and off Do Not Disturb mode based on the provided day of the week and start and end time. Now you can create multiple different schedules, different times. So as an example, just to make one, rule 2, whatever, from 10 till 7 a.m. we can change that to whatever, repeat. For instance, we're gonna turn off Monday and Tuesday, so the mode won't turn on throughout these 2 days, but the rest of the days are basically gonna be functioning. So on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, the mode will turn on. So we can now enable it, and it will then start at 10 p.m. and wait, no. It's supposed to be a little bit different. Let's make it a little bit, at some minutes, there we go. And now it is, so 10:04 till 4:05. And once you set it up, it automatically becomes enabled. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.